Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Stripe for automated AI billing and invoices step by step clearly. Visit the Stripe website at stripe.com. Click on the Start for Free button at the top right corner of the homepage. Fill in your email address, full name, and password in the registration form. Check the box to agree to Stripe's terms of service. Click on the Create Account button to complete the registration process. Verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Log into your Stripe account using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard area. Click on the Settings option in the bottom left corner. Select Billing under the Payments section in the Settings menu. Click on Payment Methods to choose your preferred methods for payment processing. Enable the payment methods you'd like to accept from your customers. Next, go to the Invoices section in the Billing settings. Enable Auto-generate invoices to automate your billing process. Configure your invoice settings, including your branding logo and payment terms. Decide on your invoice frequency by choosing either one-time or recurring billing options. Set up your products and pricing plans in the Products section. Click on Add Product to create a new billing item. Enter the product name, description, and price details, then save your changes. If setting up subscriptions, click on Subscriptions under the Billing section. Choose Create Subscription to define the billing cycle and rules for your service. Fill in the required information, including customer details and plan chosen. Finally, review all configurations for accuracy and completeness. Your Stripe account is now set up for automated AI billing and invoicing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.